I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the FortiGate model, current Forti OS version, and serial number so you know which images are compatible. Once done, export a full configuration backup and save it off box. This protects you if rollback is needed. Make sure licensed features are active and your support contract allows the target firmware. Read release notes to catch required intermediate upgrades and known issues. This avoids surprises and sets a safe baseline before you upload any firmware files or schedule downtime. You next download the exact FortiOS image for your model and verify the SHA-256 checksum to ensure file integrity. Once verified, upload via SCP or the GUI. Choose the Preserve Configuration option when supported, because that keeps interfaces and policies intact. If a direct jump isn't allowed, stage through required intermediate releases. Apply, reboot, and confirm stability at each step. Also schedule a maintenance window, notify users, and have serial console or out-of-band. You finish by validating the unit. Check the FortiOS version, review system logs for errors, and test core services like routing, interface status, firewall policies, and VPN tunnels. If something fails, revert quickly, boot the previous image, or restore the saved configuration from your backup via console. This minimizes downtime. If problems persist, gather debug outputs, system event logs, and PCAP traces. Then open a support case with Fortinet. One key troubleshooting tip: always retain console access. It's the fastest path to recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.